You make me laugh. You make me smile. You simply make me a better person in every way. You push me out of my comfort zone because you know I can be better, do better. The best version of me is the one who is with you.
I love how you inspire me every day with your strength. I love how you always make me laugh even in the middle of an argument. I love your unwavering commitment, not only to me, but to Aria and Grayson. I love that small giggle you make when you hear a joke from a show that I've watched 100 times and you've heard 100 times. I love how you always know what I'm feeling without me having to tell you. And I especially love that you're an amazing dad.
From this day forward, I promise to always love you, no matter what life throws at us, or you throw at me. I promise to hug you and kiss you as much as you may need. I promise to cherish you always and be the man you always knew I could be.
I promise to always be your best friend and partner in crime. I can't promise to solve all your problems, but I promise you'll never have to face them alone.
As I stand before you today, I am in awe of how beautiful you look today and every day. I am reminded of the first time I saw you. You introduced yourself and shook my hand. That first touch was just as special as the one we had earlier today. We didn't know it at the time, but that was the beginning of something very special.
We are gathered here together on this day to witness and celebrate the marriage of Madi and Eric. We come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to acknowledge and strengthen a bond that already exists. This ceremony is a public affirmation of that bond. This day is made possible not only because of your love for each other, but through the support of your family and friends.
I promise to fill our life together with positivity.
I promise to always fight for our love the way that you always do.
Always taking that pause, that extra second to make sure what I'm going to say or do will have a positive impact on you.
And I promise to always support and encourage you in life, even if that means supporting and encouraging you to play video games.
I promise I am going to love you forever, babe.
I make these promises to you today, always and forever.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
All that I can say is that I am honored to be sharing my rock with Madi. I genuinely think Eric has met his match in both love and stubbornness. When Eric and I were younger, I never expected him to fall in love, much less become a dad, and a smoking hot Mexican lady to marry.
As many of you know, our family has had a really rough year with the loss of my brother Corey. Eric and my mom have been Grayson and my rock. They show us every day what love is. I want to thank Eric for accepting me and Grayson as his own, and for loving my mom. I wish them all the love and happiness. I love you, Mom and Eric. Congratulations.
Toast to the happy couple.